Well, for almost 20 years now, Crimson Trace has offered laser grips. And laser grips started out, as polymer grip panels, mainly for 1911s. Am I right?
Yeah, that's correct. I mean, here's an early example right here. Dual side activation, replace the factory grips.
Sure. Now, what I've always liked about Crimson Trace laser grips is where you guys located the laser emitter.
Yeah.
I mean, it's right alongside, very close to the bore axis, so
that's right.
It's very tightly tuned, and you can make small incremental adjustments. And the reason that's important is because if you're shooting out to 25 yards, distances like that, it's going to have a very similar zero as it would be if it's going to be in closer contact.
That's right. Minimizes parallax.
Right. I mean, you guys are still innovating, and one of that is you've got different types of materials on here. You've really improved the quality. I mean, not only do you have some polymer type grips that have some fancy finishes, some wood simulated, but you've got G10s which are super durable.
Yes.
I mean, tough to break those things, but you guys can machine in different textures and designs on those, but you've also got some wood. Now tell me about all the variations here, and this is the Master Series that we're looking at, right?
Sure. This is Master Series in front of us here. Master Series with a red laser. We launched in 2013.
Sure.
So one of the real benefits for 1911 owners, they love their pistols.
Right.
I mean, that's just it, and it will always be that way. So what Master Series is basically the next evolution of laser grips.
Sure.
So Master Series allows us to use wood and G10 with a micro diode as well. So it will work with ambidextrous safeties, no problem.
Now let's look at one of those here. I'm going to open this up. This is a wood model. That's
it's a
rosewood color.
Correct.
Yep. And you've got very nice modern looking checkering going on here. This has also been cut for a carry bevel at the back strap, mainspring housing of a 1911. And on the inside, you've got your batteries.
That's
and
right.
What else? I mean, I'm looking at tape switches.
That's right. I mean, this runs the laser. I mean, it's very minimal from the outside. I mean, you've just got the diode, but all your circuitry is inside.
And this is what you were talking about, being either molded, shaped for those ambidextrous manual thumb safeties on 1911s.
Right. That's right.
And this is where I would use a little micro hex key to tune and zero my laser to my sights.
That's right. Windage and elevation on every single one of these. User adjustable.
Super high quality stuff. Now this is a little bit more of a matte finish version of it.
It is.
And it doesn't have the guts yet installed in it.
It doesn't. So this one it's in development.
Nice.
What you're looking at right here.
And the same would go for this one. This isn't necessarily wood though.
Right, so this would be what is considered pro custom. So it's kind of in between our standard polymer laser grips onto pro customs, because 1911 owners, they want to customize.
Right.
They do, which brought us to Master Series.
Yep.
Yeah.
So you still get all the benefits of intuitive activation with these laser grips. I mean, and 1911's owners can continue to personalize and benefit from everything that you have to offer, not only in red now, but in green.
But in green.